To parking. Coriner 8743 Heavy. NASA 3556 Flight of 2. Contact Los Angeles Tower on 119.8. Los Angeles Ground. SkyWest 921. Ready to taxi. Los Angeles Ground. Delta 15. Ready for pushback. Delta 15, pushback approved. Expect runway 25 left. Pushback approved. Delta 15. SkyWest 921, taxi to runway 25 right. Contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 25 right. SkyWest 921.
Los Angeles Ground, Air Canada 100, ready for pushback.
Air Canada 100, pushback approved. Expect runway 25 right.
Pushback approved, Air Canada 100.
Los Angeles Ground, November 592 Echo Charlie Super, ready for pushback. November 592 Echo Charlie Super, taxi to runway 25 right. Contact tower when ready. November 592 Echo Charlie Super, pushback approved. Expect runway 25 right.
Los Angeles Ground, Viper 175 Super, ready for pushback. Requesting runway 24 left.
Los Angeles Ground, Delta 15, ready to taxi to runway 25 left. Viper 175 Super, pushback approved. Expect runway 24 left. Pushback approved. November 592 Echo Charlie Super, Delta 15, taxi to runway 25 left. Contact tower when ready.
Pushback approved. Viper 175 Super.
Taxiing to runway 25 left. United 15. Los Angeles Ground, American 883, ready for pushback. American 883, taxi to runway 25 right. Contact tower when ready. American 883, pushback approved. Expect runway 25 right. Pushback approved. American 883. SpiceJet 6969, give way to aircraft exiting runway 7 left.
Los Angeles Ground, Viper 175 Super, ready to taxi to runway 24 left.
175 Super. Taxi to runway 24 left. Contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 24 left. Viper 175 Super.
Los Angeles ground, United 798.
Los Angeles ground, Air Canada 100, ready to taxi to runway 25 right.
Air Canada 100.
Taxiing to runway 25 right, Air Canada 100.
November 213 Lima Alpha. Taxi to runway 25 right. Contact tower when ready. November 213 Lima Alpha. Pushback approved. Expect runway 25 right. United 7982. Pushback approved. Expect runway 25 right. Thank you. Good day. SkyWest 921.
Pushback approved, United 7982.
SkyWest 921. Contact Los Angeles Tower on 119.8. Viper 175 Super. Contact Los Angeles Tower on 119.8.
Contacting Los Angeles Tower on 119.8. Viper 175 Super.
Los Angeles ground. November 592 Echo Charlie Super. Ready to taxi. November 592 Echo Charlie Super. Taxi to runway 25 right. Contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 25 right. November 592 Echo Charlie Super.
Los Angeles ground, Japan Air 136, ready for pushback.
Los Angeles ground. November 1969. Ready for pushback. Japan Air 136. Taxi to runway 25 right. Contact tower when ready. Japan Air 136. Pushback approved. Expect runway 25 right.
Pushback approved, Japan Air 136.
November 1969. Pushback approved. Expect runway 25 left. Los Angeles ground. American 883. Ready to taxi. Pushback approved. November 1969. American 883. Taxi to runway 25 right. Contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 25 right. American 883. Los Angeles ground. November 1969. Ready to taxi. American 883. Give way to aircraft on your right. Give way to aircraft. American 883. November 1969. Taxi to runway 25 left. Contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 25 left. November 1969.
Los Angeles ground, Japan Air 136, ready to taxi to runway 25 right. Los Angeles ground, United 7982, ready to taxi.
Japan Air 136. Taxi to runway 25 right. Contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 25 right, Japan Air 136.
United 7982. Taxi to runway 25 right. Contact tower when ready.
Taxiing to runway 25 right, United 7982.
American 883. Continue taxi. Continue taxi. American 883. American 883. Follow aircraft ahead. Wilco. American 883. Japan Air 136. Continue straight ahead.
Continuing ahead, Japan Air 136.
November 1969. Contact Los Angeles Tower on 119.8. Contacting Los Angeles Tower on 119.8. November 1969.
Pushback approved. November 213 Lima Alpha.
November 592 Echo Charlie Super. Contact Los Angeles Tower on 119.8.
Los Angeles ground. November 213 Lima Alpha. Ready to taxi.
November 213 Lima Alpha, continue taxi. Contacting Los Angeles Tower on 119.8. November 592 Echo Charlie Super.
Continue taxi. November 213 Lima Alpha.
Attention all aircraft. Please file a flight plan before requesting taxi.
Los Angeles ground, Southwest 771 heavy, ready for pushback.
Southwest 771 heavy, pushback approved. Expect runway 25 right.
Pushback approved, Southwest 771 heavy.
Air Canada 100, contact Los Angeles Tower on 119.8.
Contacting Los Angeles Tower on 119.8, Air Canada 100.
November 592 Echo Charlie.
Los Angeles Tower, Air Canada 100, ready for departure in sequence at runway 25 right, remaining in the pattern.
Air Canada 100, line up and wait runway 25 right. November 213 Lima Alpha, you're in an active airspace. Please contact Los Angeles Tower on 119.8.
Line up and wait runway 25 right, Air Canada 100.
Los Angeles Tower, November 213 Lima Alpha, ready for departure in sequence at runway 25 right, remaining in the pattern.
Attention all aircraft, please only request for takeoff when first in line. November 213 Lima Alpha, you're number 2 for departure.
Roger, November 213 Lima Alpha.
American 883, you're in an active airspace. Please contact Los Angeles Tower on 119.8. Japan Air 136, you're in an active airspace. Please contact Los Angeles Tower on 119.8. November 592 Echo Charlie Super, request frequency change. Southwest 771 Heavy, you're in an active airspace. Please contact Los Air Canada 100, wind 350 at 3, runway 25 right, cleared for immediate takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 25 right, Air Canada 100.
Air Canada 100, wind 350 at 3, runway 25 right, cleared for immediate takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 25 right, Air Canada 100.
November 213 Lima Alpha, line up and wait runway 25 right.
Line up and wait runway 25 right, November 213 Lima Alpha.
American 883, you're number 3 for departure. Japan Air 136, you're number 4 for departure. Southwest 771 Heavy, you're number 5 for departure.
Roger, Japan Air 136. Roger, Southwest 771 heavy.
Roger, American 883. November 213 Lima Alpha, wind 350 at 3, runway 25 right, cleared for immediate takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 25 right, November 213 Lima Alpha.
United 7982, you're in an active airspace. Please contact Los Angeles Tower on 119.8. Alaska 3425, you're in an active airspace. Please contact Los Angeles Tower on 119.8. November 318 Bravo Hotel, You're in an active airspace. Please contact Los Angeles Tower on 119.8. American 883, wind 350 at 3, runway 25 right, cleared for immediate takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 25 right, American 883, Japan Air 136, line up and wait runway 25 right.
Japan Air 136, correction, stand by.
Southwest 771 Heavy, your number 3 for departure. Japan Air 136, your number 2 for departure.
Roger, Southwest 771 Heavy. Roger, Japan Air 136.
Attention all aircraft. Los Angeles Tower is now closed. Good day.
Los Angeles traffic, Japan Air 136 is taking off runway 25 right, departing east.
Canada 100 is 14 nautical miles southwest of John Wayne at 15,000 feet, requesting flight following to San Diego.
Air Canada 100. Proceed on course to San Diego.
Southwest 824 is 16 nautical miles west of Oceanside Muni at 15,900 feet, requesting visual approach any runway at Los Angeles.
Southwest 824. Contact Sokol approach on 124.9.
Southwest 771 Heavy is 13 nautical miles north of Catalina at 11,000 feet, requesting GPS approach runway 24 at San Clemente.
Average cargo 100 Heavy is 2 nautical miles west of Los Angeles at 900 feet, requesting flight following to Edwards AFB. Average cargo 100 Heavy is 2 nautical miles west of Los Angeles at 1,000 feet, requesting radar vectors to Edwards AFB.
Average cargo 100 Heavy, unable at this time. Proceed on course to Edwards AFB.
Roger, average cargo 100 Heavy.
Air Canada 100, requesting descent to 6,000.
Air Canada 100. Resume on navigation.
Resume on navigation, Air Canada 100.
San Diego Tower, no.
San Diego Tower, Air Canada 100, inbound on the ILS runway 27.
November 592 Echo Charlie Super, number 1, runway 9, clear to land, number 1, clear to land, runway 9, November 592 Echo Charlie Super. Air Canada 100, enter left downwind runway 9.
Air Canada 100, requesting change to runway 27.
Air Canada 100, continue inbound.
Continuing inbound, Air Canada 100.
1,000. 500. 400. 300. 200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Air Canada 100. You're on an active airport. Please contact San Diego ground on 123.9er.
San Diego ground, Air Canada 100, request taxi to parking.
Air Canada 100. Continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Air Canada 100.
Air Canada 100. Thank you. Good day.